it's mine. Okay, you dropped it.
Again.
What? Oh. We're getting very sleepy.
It says, no, I'm not.
You are getting
No, I'm not.
very sleepy. You are getting very sleepy. You are
Look
getting
at her sitting up. Oh, I couldn't see it on video. You were in the way.
You are getting very.
Sodi learned to sit up this week, so
That's what
on her
she's
own.
doing.
She backs into it. She's got her. She wanted her remote control. She always take mine. She was always taking mine, so we had to get her her own. Let's see if she'll sit up. Yeah, she says I'm gonna do it.
Because Daddy said to.
Whoop. Tilt it over.
Yeah, she did for a minute.
No.
Alright.
Oop. Too busy shaking her head.
Nope. Ow. Changing the channel. Changing the channel. Changing the channel. Hey, did someone take my remote?
Yes, he did.
She's awfully quiet, isn't she?
Yeah, shake those keys at her again. Make him go back and forth. See if she shakes her head some more. Slowly.
Slowly, you are getting very sleepy. Very sleepy. It fell. Yeah. She won't let me have it. She took it from me.
That's what she does, huh? I'm gonna whack it once or twice.
To
Smack.
make it turn the
Smack.
TV on.
Santa's making noises at her. She's got her binky in. She can't make noises very much.
Ew. Now that was a noise. A pretty good noise. Little baby. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Sody.
Where did it go?
Yes, but she's sitting on. Thank you.
I gotta sit up to find it. gotta take this thing off.
Sorry.
Cece's got your toy.
I love it. Come on, Tinky Channels and watch TV.
Hey you. Someone will get it back from you. This is what she does to the other babies. She at church. The nursery,
Hey.
she goes and takes their toys. It's very cute when she's 10 months. It won't be cute soon. Hey, give me that.
Hi.
Let her have it. Don't wrestle it away from her. I'm gonna get away with it.
My remote is gone. Her again. She took it.
She's working on sitting up again.
She's on her foot.
Yeah.
She doesn't like that very much. I don't think.
Busy pressing buttons.